YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. Welcome to the channel. We just hit 619 subscribers. Thank all of you so much who have been joining. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the crew, man. It'll help us hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year. And let's see if we can hit 700 before August 1st. So, once again, just hit that subscribe button and we'll see what we could do. Also, since you're here, you might as well hit that like button. It only takes a second to hit the like button. It really helps the channel, helps the video, helps videos get shown to new people, helps with all the YouTube algorithms, all of that stuff. So, make sure you hit that like button. And then, last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information posted up there first, particularly the shoes that I'm talking about today. You have seen already on my Instagram if you follow it already. Now, getting into the video, before we get into it, quick shout out to the guys over at Hype Room. Did my second video with them this past Friday. It came out, so definitely go check that out. You can see what's going on in the store. You can see a lot more than just the shoes that I have here, but as you can see, got the white Air Jordan box. Well, it's a women's Air Jordan box, and like I said, these aren't my pair. I did get the lob from Hype Room just for a video, so thank you guys for letting me hold these to do a review. So, in this box, we have a woman's Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, and the colorway is white, black, and Concord, and this is a women's size 6.5, so that makes it a men's size 5. So we got a little baby shoe out here, but we gonna take it out anyway, and bam! Here it is, the Jordan 11 Low Concord. Now, this is actually a really dope shoe once you have it in hand. Obviously, to my shoe size, to scale, it's a little small, but you can still get an idea of all the details that you need to get with the size of the shoe. Now, I'll start on the outsole, so you do get that icy blue outsole, your Space Jam-ish outsole, and you got your Concord Jumpman down there. Now you also have your hard carbon fiber plate that goes through the whole bottom of the shoe, so you do get your carbon fiber. And this is like the old school, not the old school carbon fiber, but I'd say the what was the last Bread 11 release? I want to say 2012, 2013 carbon fiber. But it's that type of carbon fiber, not the one that everyone was so mad about this year or in 2019 that I personally like. So you do get that old Bread 11 patent or carbon fiber right there. Now if we move up to the midsole, we have a white midsole, nice and clean look right there. Then we get to the patent leather part of the sneaker, and here we get that Concord purple. Now, it's actually weird in the light. It could look a little blue sometimes. It could look a little purple. I don't know what it is with purple this year, but I'm not mad about it, man. We got the court purple ones. We got the alternate grapes. We got the there was a women's Air Max 90 that was purple. I wish they made it a men's. We got these. Must be the year of the purple or something. I'm not sure what it is, but I am not mad about it. But yeah, we do got the Concord purple around the patent leather, as well as on the 2-3 right there. That's a black Jumpman, so we get a black Jumpman Concord purple on the 2-3. Let's look at the insole right there. Nothing special about the insole. Don't know if you can see inside of it. Then we do have our Jumpman Jordan 3 holes up in the laces, 1, 2, 3 right there with the Concord Jumpman. Really, really dope. Once again, leather upper, so it's not your mesh upper. It's a leather upper, full leather shoe, which is nice. I kind of like it. Do I wish that I had these in hand? No. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest Jordan 11 guy. Every Jordan 11 I ever owned, I sold except for one. And honestly, those might hit the chop shop soon. But really, really excited to get these in hand for a review for you guys. I actually like how these came out in hand. Is it a shoe for me? No. I do think it would be cool if they also did the Concord pods on the outsole instead of the black pods. That would have made the shoe crazy. Would have made the resale value on them even more. But here it is, guys. Your Jordan 11 Low Concord, or your Jordan 11 Low Concord Sketch, as it's being called. Once again, really dope shoe. Go ahead and get your hands on it before the prices on them go up even more. They're up high right now, and this is a shoe that I can see. I mean, it's a Jordan 11, but also with the whole Concord theme, the Concord Sketch theme, I can definitely see the price on these going up. So go ahead, get your hands on the pair. They're women's sizes, so make sure if you're a man, you go a size and a half down. So this is what, a size 6.5 in women's, so you will want a size 5 in men's if you want this size. This size will be back at Hype Room tonight, so if you want to pick it up, make sure you head over there and go get your pair. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, man. I know we could do it. Let's see if we can hit 700 by August 1st. We're at 619 right now. Also, smash that like button. Really helps with the video, helps with the algorithms, helps the channel get shown to more people, helps my videos get put up ahead of other videos so more people can see the anonymous sneakerhead content. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. Get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.